Hi, today I'm of me Galaxy F14 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the first section with the sound, vibration and modes. Just to change them we should select one from the available modes. In sound mode we can just use the vibration while device ringing. Here on the sections we can change the notification and ringtone sounds. In system sound we can switch the level of the system sound volume. To turn on and turn off the touch interactions, dial buttons, keyboard, charging and screen lock and lock sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of them we should use these switchers. Let's go back. Here in volume section we can change notifications, media, ringtone and system sounds. What by slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots. Here we'll see the switcher to use volume keys for media, and when we'll turn it on we'll use the volume buttons to change the ringtone. So here we can change the call and notification vibration patterns. Just we have got here the same settings. In system vibration we can switch intensity of system vibration by slide to the left or to the right side this panel, and to also to turn on or turn off to click on the switchers, the touch interactions vibration, dial pads, keypads, the keyboard charging and gestures vibrations. In system vibration, in vibration intensity we also can switch the system vibration intensity. And in sound equality and effects we can turn on and turn off the Dolby items and Dolby items to use it for gaming and to use the separate app sounds. Also we can just turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode to set the schedule for the don't disturb mode, and to allow calls, messages, notifications, alarm and sounds from just any all people or contacts. Just by this way we can change the sound settings on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.